say about my Guruji, Guru Ganesh. I almost find it difficult to put it in words. I would say that I feel so blessed to be able to sit here to share with Guru about what I have learned from him. It's almost have been more than I think 2.5 years. When I first met Guru, I thought of yoga as just postures, good for health, but he said it's mind, body and spirit. And that really caught my interest, wondering what does he mean by spirit? And when I started to learn from him, I began to understand it unfold itself, what he meant by body, mind and spirit. I think it's the deepest, the most precious experience that I have had with any teacher I can imagine. So I'm ultimately grateful. All the postures that he has taught, all the chanting, it's brought me to the understanding of connecting with the cosmic energy, how it truly transforms and help me in so many different ways. I cannot even put it in words. For right now, Guru, I got to give you a better one. I just cannot even put it in words right now. I really understand spirit. So, what's you meant by that? The level, and you never, how do you say, anybody look at you will never imagine how much you know, how much you have insight, how much you give us. I would say wherever I go, wherever I will be, that energy, that connection, it will always be there, always, always. So, thank you so much.